Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something like food, like drinks and dessert. Okay, let's start now. Sandwich here.
三明治，三明治，豆腐，豆腐，面条，面条，馒头，馒头，面包，面包，汤圆，汤圆，汉堡，汉堡，荷包蛋，荷包蛋。
Touch this, you can hear some different voice.
猪，猪，薯条，薯条，热狗，热狗，沙拉，沙拉，饺子，饺子，意大利面，意大利面，牛排，牛排。比饭，比饭，咖喱饭，咖喱饭，米饭，米饭，包子，包子。
Okay, the next topic, drinks and dessert. Do you like coffee? How to say coffee in Chinese? Let's learn together.
咖啡，咖啡，甜甜圈，甜甜圈，牛奶，牛奶，棒棒糖，棒棒糖，蛋糕，蛋糕，小朋友过生日的时候，是不是都盼着爸爸妈妈给自己买一个蛋糕呢？饼干，饼干，布丁，布丁，蛋挞，蛋挞，果汁，果汁。冰淇淋，冰淇淋，凤梨酥，凤梨酥，可乐，可乐，奶昔，奶昔，奶昔是牛奶、水果和冰块的混合物。香甜可口，肉松饼，肉松饼，巧克力，巧克力，糖果，糖果，茶，茶，酸奶，酸奶，爆米花，爆米花。爆米花是一种用玉米、酥油和糖做成的膨化食品，虽然可口，但不能多吃哦。果冻，果冻。
Okay, thank you so much for your watching. Next video, we will show you more. We are the supplier of sound books in China. There is more information about us on our website. See you next time.